Alright guys, well, we are here today at Glade Run, gonna be doing some bass fishing. Also brought my trout stuff with me just in case I wanted to switch over to that. But I think the focus for today is going to be largemouth bass. So I got a lot of bass stuff tied on right behind me, and let's see if we can get any. Right into a tree. Right into a tree. Would have been perfect cast too. I should be able to get it. Got him. There's that flicker shad right there. And let's see if we can get a trout. Yeah? Yeah. On what, flicker? Oh yeah? Alright. Just hooked up over here. Guys, well, that was my dad with the first fish of the day. Got it on a spinner, and instead of reeling it in along the surface, he let it sink a little bit. And that's how he got that fish to bite. But I cannot tell you guys how windy it is out here. It is absolutely insane. Maybe one of the windiest days I've ever been out in the kayak, but something about this lake, it always seems to be a lot windier than any other place that we go. It has been a very unproductive day so far. You know, I started off going for bass with the white chatterbait, switched over to trout with the flicker shad. Still haven't got a fish on the board today or a single bite. Now we're sort of anchored in this little cove where the launch is, seeing if we can get any trout. I switched over to a little rooster tail here, and I'm gonna see if I can get any trout on that. But this wind is absolutely insane. I mean, we can't even be out in the main part of this lake for more than like 5 minutes before we get pushed to the complete other side. So hopefully there are going to be some trout in this little area that I can catch. Trout just jumped right by my spinner. Maybe you'll see it. Yep, there he is. Of course he got off. Maybe he's gonna come back for it. Oh, I just missed one right there. There we go. Finally. Oh. I touched him. He counts. There we go. There's another one. Nice. There we go. My second rainbow of the day. Right there. Pretty fish.
There he goes.
Alright guys, well that is going to do it for today's video. Definitely not the most exciting outing, but at least I was able to get those 2 trout near the end of the trip. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.